Hello everyone. So the project which we are going to make today is flashing LED using 555 IC. Components required for this project are 555 timer IC, two 1 kilo ohm resistors, one 470 ohm resistor, one 470 microfarad capacitor, one LED, 9-volt battery. First of all, we'll place IC 555 on the breadboard. Short pin number 4 and 8 together. Now short pin number 2 and pin number 6 of the IC. Pin number 2 is trigger and pin number 6 is threshold terminal of IC. Place 1 kilo ohm resistor on the breadboard. Connect one more 1 kilo ohm resistor in series with the previous one. Connect a positive terminal of capacitor to one end of 1 kilo ohm resistor. Right now 3 components are connected in a series. Connect one end of 1 kilo ohm resistor to pin number 8 of IC. Connect the point where 2 resistors are getting connected to pin number 7 of the IC. Connect the positive terminal of capacitor to pin number 6 of the IC. Connect negative terminal of capacitor to pin number 1 of IC. Connect 470 ohm resistor to the pin 3 of the IC. Connect the positive terminal of LED to the another end of resistor. Connect negative end of LED to the negative of the capacitor. Connect negative terminal of battery to the pin number 1 of IC and positive terminal of battery to the pin number 4 of IC. As you can see, the LED starts blinking. It's turning on and off after some time period. So this is how 555 LED blinking is going to work. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.